Good morning, I'm Sergeant Reed with the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office Homicide Unit. This morning at approximately 7:30, officers were dispatched to a local hospital in reference to reports of an individual suffering from an apparent stab wound. Life-saving measures were taken on that person, however, those measures were unsuccessful. Just prior to the Sheriff's Office receiving that phone call, there were several other calls that were received in reference to a possible domestic dispute in the same vicinity. At this time, it appears that all of those incidents are related. The parties believed to be involved are all accounted for and are currently speaking with our homicide detectives. Homicide detectives, crime scene detectives, as well as the state attorney responded, are currently on scene conducting an investigation. And we're currently canvassing the area to look for any additional witnesses or any surveillance footage that may be available. So we strongly encourage anyone who might have information in reference to this incident to contact the Sheriff's Office at the non-emergency number at 630-0500. Or if you'd like to remain anonymous, you can contact Crime Stoppers at 1-866-845-TIPS. And that's all I have right now, so I can try to answer any questions.
Can you talk to us about, we've got a couple scenes here. Can we talk about where something may have started and what the connection is?
It appears to have started, I can't pinpoint exactly where, but it was a moving situation between the domestic partners, and then it ultimately ended up at the hospital with the victim.
Can you just confirm that both these scenes are connected?
That is correct, yes.
Are you able to share the victim, not name, but age, sex, anything of that nature?
I do know that it's a black male and he's an adult. That's what I have at this time.
And he did that.
Yes.
And is this a man and a woman?
I am not 100% sure, but we can get that information for you later through the public information officer.
Do we know the nature of the relationship since this was domestic?
It appears that they had an intimate relationship at some point. It may not be the first domestic incident between them.
Is the surviving partner cooperating?
Yes, she is speaking with detectives right now.
Are we thinking she's the perp?
It's still real early. We're not sure yet. We're still collecting video to try and ascertain exactly how it went down or what happened.
Did it happen inside of a business?
To our knowledge right now, nothing happened inside a particular business. It appears everything was outside.
Approximately how many witnesses were there?
I'm not sure of that right now.
Is the person that the victim was intimate with, is she a suspect in this case?
It's still real early to identify if there's a suspect or we're still getting a lot of information. So we're just trying to go through all of that to make sure we have all that we need. Anybody else? Is that it? Okay. All right. Y'all have a good day. Thank you.
Very much.